Hi, good morning. I'm Colin Lowenberg, your host of Meet MobileCoin today. I'm going to walk you through how to use Signal Messenger with the MobileCoin wallet built in. And then I'm going to show you how to buy MobileCoin on a decentralized exchange and do that both on your web browser as well as on your mobile device. If you've tuned in the past, we've done airdrops. We've had great guests from both MobileCoin and outside of MobileCoin to talk about privacy, talk about security, and talk about the MobileCoin technology. Please understand this talk will be much more geared towards the everyday user. So if you're new to MobileCoin, this will be a really great introduction to how to use Signal, how to use MobileCoin. And I look forward to any questions you have. Feel free to make a comment and I will answer your questions as they come in or at the end of the little presentation. So the first steps first, I'm Colin Lowenberg. I'm the head of developer relations for MobileCoin. I'm really proud to announce the launch of our new website. If you check out mobilecoin.com, you can watch a video. So, you're watching this video, but if you have no idea what MobileCoin is, I encourage you to watch the video that we have on our website. But today we're going to skip that video and go right to getting your wallet. So you can use MobileCoin with multiple wallets as well. And if you want to see all those wallets, you can go to the top of the screen, go to use MobileCoin, and you can see we have different wallets and exchanges. But just go ahead and click get your wallet right on the front page of mobilecoin.com. And now, before you can get your wallet, you also need to get the Signal app. So if you aren't a Signal user, Signal is one of the best tools for privacy in the world. It's a private messenger application, so you can actually send messages completely encrypted end to end. Now, if you take this moment, if you don't have Signal, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. It works on Android and iOS. It also works on Mac, and there's other clients out there if you want to connect on other desktops. But it's really an amazing application. It has group chat, it has video, it has phone calls built into the application, and it's used by anyone who cares about their personal privacy or by organizations like the US government or organizations who need to maintain absolute security, which a lot of cryptocurrency folks are actually using Signal today because they want to have a secure way to communicate things like private keys or passwords or have conversations that are not completely public. So if you're not aware, if you use Twitter or Discord, anyone can see your messages. So Signal is a really amazing way to protect yourself on a privacy standpoint. Now, once you've got that Signal app installed, you can actually activate MobileCoin's wallet built into Signal. So if you open the Signal app on your phone, you just go to the settings in the top right corner and the top left corner. And I'm actually going to demo how to do that right now. So I'm going to share my screen, share my actual phone, and you can actually see. I hope you enjoy my background there. But this is my Signal app. You can see my messages in here, and I can go in. I go to settings in the top left corner. I go up and I activate payments. It's down here right at near the bottom. You select payments. And you can see I've only got a few dollars of MobileCoin in my wallet. That's because I keep giving it away to folks at conferences. So if you catch me at a conference, I tend to give away one MobileCoin to people that I meet. Just trying to help people onboard to MobileCoin. So now that if you want to add funds, you can click add funds. If you want to send a payment to one of your friends, you can send payment. If you just activated, you're going to see a $0 balance here and zero MOB balance here. You can also read more about MobileCoin and how to add funds and how to cash out in this right here in the Signal app. However, I'm going to show you how to also, once you want to get this going, you need to also learn how to recover your recovery phrase. Recovery phrase is how you can actually back up and restore your wallet in case you ever forget your PIN number for Signal. So once you've got your wallet activated, you can go in here and you can select recovery phrase. I'm not going to display my recovery phrase, but you click start and it will display your 24 word recovery phrase. You want to write down that recovery phrase on a piece of paper and save it in a very safe location, like a safe. And you want to, or you can commit it to memory if you can actually do that. But it's very important to back up those 24 words. If you ever lose your phone, you can always restore your wallet very easily just by downloading Signal and activating your wallet. Now, if you forget your PIN number for Signal, you won't be able to recover your wallet. So those 24 words are your backup if you forget your PIN number. Also, inside of Signal, you can see currency conversions and you can transfer to exchange. So transfer to exchange is a really useful feature. If you want to get your MobileCoin out of your Signal wallet, you can send it to another MobileCoin address, and you can scan someone's address if you want. So if you wanted to send money to someone who has a non-Signal wallet, you can send it by scanning using the transfer to exchange button. Now in here, you can also see the MobileCoin website. This is Signal's support page, but if you click there, it takes you to the MobileCoin website. Now, this is the same website that you saw on my desktop, and you can follow the same instructions to get your wallet and follow this guide right here on how to activate your wallet. It's relatively simple. You just click settings, payments, and activate. Now, once you've activated your wallet, you're going to want to get some MobileCoin. So now you have a wallet with zero balance. How do you add money? So that's what we're going to talk about next. To buy MobileCoin, you can do it in two different decentralized exchanges today in the US. You can buy there. One of them is called Mixin and one of them is called Finic. I'll go through. You can actually see on my phone right here, you can see how to buy MobileCoin. It's on the left menu, and you can see buy MobileCoin with Finic wallet and buy MobileCoin with the Mixin wallet. So if you click on buy MobileCoin with the Mixin wallet, this is a good way to buy MobileCoin on your mobile device, and I'll show you how the Mixin app works. This is the Mixin app. It's similar to Signal, but it has cryptocurrency exchanges built right in. So I can pull up an exchange and I can actually swap Bitcoin for MobileCoin right in this application. So I'll show you how to use that in just a little bit. The other option to buy MobileCoin on a decentralized exchange is using the Finic wallet. So Finic wallet is a web browser extension. So I can't do this demo on my phone. It's actually for if you want to buy this in your web browser. It works in Chrome or Brave browser and probably other browsers. So you can follow this guide for Finic. I'll also walk you through how to then add those funds to your MobileCoin wallet. And all of this information is also on the website right here. So once you've got the funds, we're going to then go add the funds to the wallet and then show you how to send payments. So we're gonna go do those demos right now. Let's start with the Mixin app as a way to buy MobileCoin. So Mixin is very similar to Signal in that you have these different chat capability. So I can send messages to my friends and my contacts on Mixin, but then I can also go and use two different exchanges in here. One of them is called MixSwap, and you can find MixSwap on our website. I'll show you how to find MixSwap. So if we go to the MobileCoin website, go to the front page and scroll down, you can actually see right here under Use MobileCoin, here are all the applications. So very easy directions to find them. So Finic wallet and Mixin Messenger. So I'm going to go to Mixin Messenger on the website and go to Mixin. And then I have these nice instructions right here on how to use it. Now you can go download it from the App Store. That's the first step. And once you've downloaded it from the App Store, there's also a Mixin Messenger for desktop. So you can also use Mixin on your desktop. Once you've gotten in there, you can watch another YouTube video that we've created that shows you how to buy MobileCoin on Mixin. But this video is a little bit more descriptive. You're going to enter this number right here. You can also just tap on this on your screen right here, and that will open up the Mixin app. So now, once you have the Mixin app installed, you can then open up this number. You can search for that number on the Mixin app, or you can go to the top of this and you can click on this little link at the top that says Mixin, and that should take you right to the app. Oops, okay, well, once you type in that number, that 7,000 number, it will let you chat with the Mixin app, and you can say hi, but this is just a bot. So it's not really a person there, it's just a bot. And you can ask it information, but there's a little icon to the right of the chat that looks like a robot, and it kind of looks like a little bit of a nose, but it's a little robot icon. So you tap on that icon and it launches the app within Mixin. And now I'm inside of the MixSwap bot inside of Mixin, and now I can do exchanges right here inside. So if I put in, I want to trade 1.1 Bitcoin, which is $3,000. Let's do 0.01. Let's do like $300. 0.01 Bitcoin is $30. And that's 15 mobile coin at this current exchange, at this current time. And I can go and click exchange, and it will say, oh, hey, you've got to transfer to MixSwap. So let's see that. Let's see if I confirmed it. Let's see, have paid. And let's see if the order was placed successfully, waiting for the trade. It's always fun to do a demo live and see it working. So the transaction should complete pretty quickly. And once you've done that, you'll then have MobileCoin in your wallet. And so inside of Mixin, you can go back to the home screen of Mixin, and at the bottom of the home screen, you see a little wallet icon right there at the bottom, and the wallet will then pull up, and you can see I have $35 of Bitcoin and $5 of MobileCoin, and I just asked it to do a quick trade. Let's see if that trade is still going on. Let's see if that went through. Go back to the swap. Wrong one. Sorry, I want to do MixSwap. Okay, so MixSwap also gives you, in that same chat with MixSwap, you can see the result of the exchange. So it says MixSwap exchanged a little bit extra MOB for me. That's really nice. So I actually received a little bit more MOB than I had expected when I hit exchange. And so now I've got more MOB in my wallet and less BTC in my wallet. So I've just swapped my Bitcoin for MobileCoin, and now I have 15 MobileCoin that just got added to my my wallet. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to check my wallet, and you can now see after the transaction, I now have $35 of MobileCoin. So it was successful. You saw before I didn't have as much MobileCoin. Now I have more MobileCoin, and you can also see my history in here of that transfer. So what had happened is I sent Bitcoin to the bot, and the bot sent me back MobileCoin. And it did that all in a decentralized way because this application is actually built in, and it is a decentralized network called Mixin. So MixSwap runs on Mixin. Makes sense, right? And it's a decentralized network that's relatively fast and also has very low fees. So you can see here, I actually had a slippage of 0. So when you're using a decentralized exchange, fees are often shown as the fees that you pay are often in slippage, which is the loss that you're taking by exchanging. In this case, I had 0 slippage. So that's really nice to see in a decentralized exchange. And now I have that MobileCoin in my wallet. I can now send that MobileCoin over to my Signal wallet. So I can tap on my MobileCoin and I can hit send, and I can add a contact or an address. So if I want to send MobileCoin to a friend on Mixin, I can use contact, or I can type in an address. And I have a Signal address right here. I'm going to go back to my Signal app, and I'm going to click add funds. So this is the home screen of the payments in Signal app. Click add funds. I can see my address ends in HYU. Go back over here, and I'm going to add that address. So I'll say Colin's Signal wallet, and I'm going to paste in that address right here. And there we go. And then I'm going to add a little memo field here. So I'm just going to say to self. Sometimes you don't have to put a memo, but it's important for my own records when I want to go back and audit myself and see, hey, where did I send my money? I can go back and see to self. Also, Mixin makes you confirm with your with your PIN number for Mixin before you can send money. So now I'm going to select sending money here. I'm just going to send 5 MOB over to my wallet because I might want to use something else. So I'm going to send 5 MOB over to my Signal wallet. So now you can see I paid a fee here to bring that MobileCoin out. So I paid 59 cents to get my MobileCoin out of Mixin and into Signal. Now that fee is relatively stable and small. It's it's not you can see the fees that I've paid in the past. They're all relatively small fees. You can see I paid 57 cents last time. So the fees are very small for using Mixin. If you're making enormous transactions, over $10,000 or over $100,000, you should watch out for slippage because for making these small transactions, there's little or no slippage. But if you're making a larger transaction, I don't want you to just like click exchange and not pay attention. So it's important to pay attention to the slippage and the fees as you make an exchange on the MixSwap or Mixin app. Now, there's also a FourSwap bot also in here, and you can learn about FourSwap on our website as well. But you can see this is another decentralized exchange. So MixSwap is actually an aggregator similar to 1inch, if you're familiar with 1inch. So MixSwap is actually aggregating multiple decentralized exchanges into a single interface. But one of the exchanges that MixSwap uses is actually called FourSwap. And FourSwap also has the same bot. You can say hi, but it won't do much. It'll just give you a little information. And at the bottom, you have that same bot. So you can click the little bot icon and the bot will open up. This is the FourSwap app. I think it's got a nice interface. It shows the total liquidity. MixSwap does not provide the liquidity. FourSwap provides the liquidity. So in this case, you have a little bit more information about where people are putting liquidity for us to trade with and swap with. So I can go here. I can see all the different pairs here. I can also search for the MobileCoin pairs. So I'll search for MobileCoin. And you can see MobileCoin has good liquidity trading with Zen and BTC. Not a lot of liquidity with Ethereum right now. That's relatively new. If you want to go put your money into a liquidity pool, you can do that. I'm going to go into the Bitcoin pool and I'm going to do a swap there. So I can see this is the swap price between MobileCoin and Bitcoin. And I can see the total liquidity for that is about $3 million. So what that means is if you wanted to sell $3 million worth of MobileCoin, that's all that you would probably not be able to sell that much. It would basically take all of the liquidity out of the market. So there's, if you're making smaller trades under $100,000, there's not going to be a huge slippage fee. But let's go ahead and do a trade here. So I'm going to do let's do another 0.01 Bitcoin. Let's do $300. Or actually, I don't have a lot in this wallet. So I'm just going to do another $30. And now you can see I'm doing exactly the same thing I did with the Mixin app, but now I'm doing it with the FourSwap app. So I'm going to do, before I can use it, I also have to connect it to my Mixin wallet. So it authorizes my wallet to allow me to do the swap. And now I'm going to do a swap. So I confirm the swap. Also, it asks me to confirm with my PIN number again. And it will check the result. So I can always go back to my wallet and check. If you recall, I had about $30. Let's see if this payment goes through. It looks swap was successful. That's pretty great. So I can also see my history down below. So you can see all of my history and you can go back and we can go close. Let's go back to the wallet and see now I've traded 5. It looks like I sent out some MOB to someone else and I now have, there we go. Now it's updated. Now I have 28 MobileCoins. So you saw that number just update in real time. I did the swap. It was relatively fast. I can go back. Let's look at those fees and see how much we spent. So it looks like we swapped 1 MOB and the slippage was basically nothing because we are doing a small trade. Again, if you do a large trade, it's good to look at the slippage on the decentralized exchange. So I've shown you how to do MixSwap and FourSwap. Those are the two decentralized exchanges that I recommend trying inside the Mixin app. And I've shown you how you can send that mobile coin over to your Signal app. You just go send money over to Signal, and boom, I'm sending it over to Signal. It looks like it's actually really helpful. It's reminding me, I actually just sent 5 MOB over to that same address. Do I really want to do it again? I'm going to say let's do it again, so we can kind of see how long it takes to switch between Mixin wallet to the Signal wallet. Now we can go back to the Signal wallet, and it hasn't. We'll go over here. It looks like someone sent me some MobileCoin. Look, my MobileCoin that I sent a little while ago, I got 5 MobileCoin. So that was relatively quick, and just in the time that I've been talking, the MobileCoin went from the Mixin wallet on the Mixin network to the Signal wallet on the MobileCoin network. It also looks like somebody in here decided to send me some money, so I appreciate that. Thank you to whoever is doing that. Feel free to send me more money. I appreciate it. Someone said mob rules. That's great. So now I have, oh, look, there, my second payment of 5 MobileCoin came in. That was really fast. So now we've got the MobileCoin in my Signal wallet. Before I switch to desktop, I want to make sure you understand the Signal wallet. Now that you've got some money in your Signal wallet, you can go into payments, and you can go in and you can cash out. So we have information about how to cash out. And to do that, you go to transfer to exchange. So if I wanted to send it back to Mixin, I would just go and paste my Mixin address in here. So to get my Mixin address, I go to Mixin, I hit receive. It says, hey, this only supports MobileCoin deposits. I copy and paste. So click copy from this, and I paste this in here. If you had a different phone, you could scan the QR code. I'm going to send 5 MobileCoin back to my Mixin wallet. And you can see the network fee here is 0.004 MOB. That's very, very small amount. It's less than a cent. I'm going to confirm payment and send that MobileCoin back to my Mixin wallet. Pretty quick, pretty easy. And I can move money back and forth between Mixin. I can swap my MobileCoin back for Bitcoin. So if I go back to Mixin, let's do FourSwap again. So just so you know, you can actually add your exchanges at the bottom bar, so you can bookmark your exchanges or your bots. And so I can go back in here, and now let's switch it back, and let's take 5 MobileCoin, or let's do $15 of MobileCoin, and swap it back for Bitcoin. So I'm just sending it back and forth between my 2 wallets and exchanging it. So this is how you would essentially sell your MobileCoin, is you send your MobileCoin over to the Mixin app, sell it for Bitcoin, and now you've got Bitcoin, which you can then send anywhere in the world, and you can sell that. But Bitcoin is obviously not going to provide the privacy, the speed, and the safety around where your transactions are going and who you're sending it to. So now I can send that Bitcoin over to a centralized exchange or any app that sells Bitcoin, or now you can trade between MobileCoin and Bitcoin. Now, using a mobile phone is not necessarily the easiest way for some people. Some people prefer to actually do all of this on their desktop computer, and I understand that. MobileCoin is built to be mobile, so we're really focused on the mobile experience. And so Signal and Mixin make a good combo where you can swap directly on your phone. I haven't used my desktop computer at all, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it on your desktop computer as well. So I'm going to pull up the website that I was on before. So go to mobilecoin.com, and you can go to use MobileCoin, get MobileCoin. You can also scroll down and click on Finic wallet. And in the Finic wallet, it's a browser extension. So there's a Chrome store and a Firefox add-on. I'm using the Brave browser, which is compatible with all Chrome extensions. So you go and you install the Finic browser extension right here. And you can learn about the Finic browser extension right here. It's essentially a wallet built into your browser. And I have it already installed right here. So you can see my Finic wallet. Let's see how much. I don't think I have anything in this wallet. I have no money in my Finic wallet, so I want to send some money to this wallet. How would I do that? The easiest way to do that is send it from my Signal or from my Mixin wallet. So I'm gonna say, click receive on here. And now it shows my address. So if you scan that, you're just gonna be sending me money, and that's fine, I don't mind. Feel free to tip me. I'm gonna send some MobileCoin directly to this address. Let's see, address, let's add an address in Mixin, or you can do it from Signal. So I'm gonna do it right from Mixin. And I'm gonna scan this. I'm actually scanning this code right now. I think you can see, oh, I'm covering it with my mouse. And then memo, it's to self again. So I'm just sending it from my mobile wallet to my desktop wallet, to my desktop browser app wallet. Oops. Oh, I did not copy right. Let me do that. Oh, sorry about that. If you're going to use the Mixin app, you have to switch over in Finic to Mixin. So apologies. You use the other address if you're sending it from Signal. So Finic makes it easier to send from a Mixin wallet. And you can actually link your Mixin wallet with your Finic wallet, I believe. So I'm going to scan this code with my Mixin app. There we go. And so now I scanned it with my Mixin app, and I'm going to send 5 MOB. Let's do 10 MOB. I think I've got 10 MOB. And I am now sending it from my Mixin app over to my Finic wallet. Let's see if it's sent. Looks like I did a transfer of 10. So let's see if I sent it. Oh, well, it's already there. Okay, great. So I can see in my activity, I just transferred in 10 MobileCoin into my Finic wallet. So now I have, I can send it back using the send. I can send to a Mixin address or any MobileCoin address. So if I want to add my Signal address here, I can copy paste my Signal address directly into here. And I can send from Finic to Signal. I can also go in here and I can select multiple assets. So the Finic wallet and the Mixin wallet both support multiple currencies, which is a nice feature so you can swap. Now, Finic also gives you the ability to swap right in its browser extension. So if you click the swap button, it takes you to FourSwap. Now, we're already familiar with FourSwap because we were just doing that in the Mixin app, but FourSwap also works in your web browser. So I can switch here. I can say, you know, I have like $30 of MobileCoin, and I want to switch it for MobileCoin for Bitcoin, and I can connect my wallet right here. And in the FourSwap app, I can actually use my Mixin Messenger wallet or a Finic wallet. And I'm going to use Finic because that's what we're demoing right now. And I click swap and confirm. And I should show you on my screen, actually. I got a pop-up confirmation asking me to confirm. So let me share my full screen. Share screen, window. So you can see I have a confirmation window now. And in my confirmation window, I say, you know, I'm sending it to, I can send it to which account I want. So I can have multiple accounts in Finic. Joe's wallet I'm just using for the demo. So I'm paying my wallet and I have to confirm with my password. And oh, it looks like I have insufficient balance to do that. So let me go back. I can reject it. Let me try one more time. Looks like I don't have the balance to do that. Oh, I have less than $20 and I was trying to send $20. So we'll go swap again. Let's try that one more time. 1 second. Demos never work when you want them to. Uh-oh. Apologies, share my screen again so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so I chose a number that was a little too high because my balance was too low. So I'm gonna do just 5 MobileCoin. So let's do this again. So I'm gonna swap 5 MOB for $9 of Bitcoin, continue. And now I have that same pop-up. I'll share again. You can see the confirmation dialog. In here, I have my confirmation screen, and you can see I'm switching 5 MobileCoin for $9 of Bitcoin. It's a relatively small amount. I can confirm my transaction right here. Successfully. You can see the memo and the snapshot ID and the transaction hash. So that was relatively quick. Now I can hit back and I'm in my, you can see in my wallet, my activity. I just transferred in 10 MobileCoin and then I traded 5 MobileCoin for Bitcoin. Now I should see in my assets, I should see some Bitcoin. Let's go down and see my Bitcoin amount. Let's see. Oh, I don't see it yet. Let's see. Let's go back to share screen. And now you can see in my history, you can see I traded MobileCoin for Bitcoin in the past. It looks like it did not go through. Let me check. Maybe I was going too slow on this. Oh, there we go. Okay. I hope you guys can see that. I think you can. So it looks like you guys can't actually see my pop-up, which is interesting. I realize that now you can't actually see my browser extension. So I apologize. I'll see if I can make this pop out into a separate browser tab for you so you can see it. Stop screen, share this. Apologies. Here you go. So this is, you can also pop out the Finic wallet into its own web browser, which makes it a little bit easier for screen sharing, but also you don't have to use it as a pop-up menu. You can do it right here in a separate browser window. So now I can see the swap has occurred. So you see I received $9 back of Bitcoin. $9.80. So that took about 1 minute for that transaction to occur. And now I can see in my assets, I now have Bitcoin and MobileCoin in the same wallet, and I can swap back and forth between the two. So Finic wallet is nice because it's a easy to use interface. You don't have to install any apps to get it working, and you can create a wallet in just seconds. And you can create multiple wallets as well, which is a nice feature because you might want to have a wallet for personal and a wallet for paying people. You might not want to display your whole balance all the time, so you could have a separate wallet also just for other family members because you might share the same computer. I hope this was a helpful description of how the Finic wallet works. Now, if you want to read more about all of these applications that work with MobileCoin, you can go to the MobileCoin website, scroll down, and you'll see all of these apps. So Signal Messenger, Finic Wallet, and Mixin Messenger. That's what we've covered today. In other calls, we're actually going to dive into new ways that you can buy MobileCoin through centralized exchanges and on-ramps and off-ramps, as well as trading platforms and custody solutions. So you can see all of those applications on our ecosystem page. You can see we've got 4 wallets right now. And if you're in the US, you can use MixSwap, FourSwap, or SFox. And if you're outside of the US, you can use Binance, FTX, Gate.io, Bitfinex, and also BitTrue. So if you're looking to learn more about these and you want some assistance, you can obviously read the information that we put on the website under Get MobileCoin. You can see my step-by-step guides that you can walk through. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to come over and join us on our Discord. We have it's easy to find. Just go to Community, Online Communities, and you can chat with us on Discord. I'm always in there, and I try to respond to questions relatively quickly. Also, we're adding a new support website, and you can message us on Twitter if you want to blast at us, and you can also find our next events. I also encourage you to watch our previous live streams. This recording will be up on our public YouTube page as well as on our website. So feel free to check out the next session that we have. I'm looking forward to doing more of these educational sessions and also diving more into how developers can build on MobileCoin. So thank you guys for tuning in. Let me see, have we had any questions from the audience? No, none. All right, thank you guys for joining in. And I hope this was helpful. Cheers. Bye, everyone.